How to view Newegg purchase history. To view your Newegg purchase history, you can access the order history section of your account through their website or mobile app. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to open a Newegg app onto your device. There, you just want to make sure to tap onto the accounts at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can then go ahead and look for order history. This is basically where you will be able to find your history. You could find your order history as well. That means the purchase history. You just want to make sure to filter result. You could just by default use may only see recent order, use the find order or find order within drop down menu to change the filter to all, or select the specific year to see order older purchase. So that's how you're supposed to view new egg purchase history. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue finding out, you could also go ahead and look for or request the data. They can also help you out.